Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to replace a 12-volt automotive battery in a 2008 Toyota Prius car. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. With access to the luggage compartment in the rear, we will begin by removing the luggage cover. A luggage mat was installed on this vehicle and it will be removed. We will remove the lid to the auxiliary box along with the entire auxiliary box. We will remove the battery cover on the passenger side of the luggage compartment. The old battery has a slightly low rating of 12.2 volts. It was decided to replace the battery with consideration to a low voltage reading and that it is 8 years old. After double checking that the vehicle was powered off and all lights are off, the negative battery cable was disconnected from the top post of the battery. Fasteners were then removed to the electrical component in the front of the battery hold-down clamp. Once the electrical component was moved out of the way, the positive battery cable was disconnected from the battery post. The fasteners for the battery hold-down clamp were removed. The battery hold-down clamp was removed. Fasteners for the plastic duct were removed. The battery vent tube was disconnected. Plastic duct was shifted out of place to allow access for battery removal. Unfortunately, it was determined that although the battery case size and cold cranking amps were the same, the terminal size was not and adapters would need to be made. Side by side, the voltage on both batteries were tested for reference. The reading was 12.16 for the old battery and 12.64 for the new battery. Although adapters were made, it is recommended that all automotive batteries replaced are matched in case size, cold cranking amps with identical terminal post size and location. The vent hose routing to the exterior is required for this vehicle because the battery is stored in the interior cabin. The negative battery cable is removed from the unibody frame. This will make it much easier to mount the negative battery cable back onto the negative post of the new battery. With a DIY adapter installed on the positive battery post, a plastic cover was placed on the post with consideration to safety with the metal hand tools. With a DIY adapter installed inside the terminal of the negative battery cable, the cable was held down with the pliers while it was tightened down with hand tools. The battery was then positioned back into place. The plastic duct was then positioned back into place with the fastener reinstalled. Electrical tape was then used to insulate the negative battery cable. The battery hold-down clamp was then reinstalled. The positive battery cable was then positioned into place and hand tightened. The electrical component in front of the battery hold-down clamp was then reinstalled. Electrical tape was removed and the negative battery cable was reinstalled on the unibody frame. Prior to any startup or usage, the new battery was tested on the exterior of the terminals to be 12.5 volts. After 20 minutes of continuous highway driving, the battery reading was 12.9 volts. The battery cover was then reinstalled into the passenger side of the luggage compartment. The auxiliary box and lid to the box was reinstalled. The luggage mat and luggage cover were then reinstalled into the luggage compartment, completing the replacement of the 12-volt battery. I had a great time making this video and hope you did watching it. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.